Presley Young here, back for another video. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing video on the Nintendo Switch, and this game that I bought just now, the Lego Old Movie 2 video old game. This is what I'm going to play. So here is the box, Nintendo Old Switch, and let's see, the instruction, what's going inside the box. So you got the Joy-Cons, the strap, the charging cable, external, and also the charging area where you want to connect to the TV if you want to, but if you do want to connect, you can use it as a charger. So it is mostly for turbo charge. So we're going to open it out. So that's here, and because I'm using one hand, so give me a sec. Give me a sec how to open it. There we go. So of course, let's see what it's asking me. So yeah, you got problem, you can go Nintendo and ask, and we attach the Nintendo console, the Joy-Con battery will also charge. So remove, you must press remove, so it's charge it if you want to. So let's prefer to do it. So you need to plug in and set it up and use it, but if there's still a battery, I think hopefully we can set everything up. So we got the Joy-Con, the blue and the red. I choose the neon color. Neon's most popular color here. Let's take it out for a moment. So here's the display. This is the 6.2-inch display. So if you compare it to the S9, there it is. Give me a second. Screen is look exactly the same as the S9, but this looks 6.2. This looks bigger than S9 screen. That's because the rounded corner is 6.1. So yeah, this is 6.2 with the rectangle shape. Okay, let's move on. We can open up. Yeah, we can open up. Is this oh no, it's just a cardboard. So must be the charging cable. No, it's not. It's gone to the TV. And this must charging cable. So it's actually, is it USB Type C? Yes, it's USB Type C, so means that you can use any type of Type C to charge this device, so it's good. So what do we have? Oh, this is the controller. So just in case if you're using the television and you want to focus on the Joy-Cons here, then you use this. It's the best option left. I just put it over there, just in case. And straps. So sometimes you scared at you drop your Joy-Con onto the floor, so mostly strap is very helpful. You attach it, but you only use it if you separate the Joy-Con from the device. So this is just in the box, because I'm not going to use it. And we have, this is actually the using the Joy-Con instruction manual. And what's the warning? Design what will happen, health safety. So we just leave it right here. And this is the, if you want to charge here instead of TV, this is the best solution. You can do it, and it's great. It even put it foam, so it's a good quality. So I just leave it here. Give me a sec to open it up. So right here, remove it. So here's the device. So here is the device is right here. So you just attach it here. You start to connect. So it's good quality. So you can open it up. So this is actually how you connect to the computer. USB. This is USB if you want to, for example, you want to store things inside the USB. AC adapter, so it's actually connect to the computer, to the TV. If you don't want to use it, you can just close it up, or you can just like insert here, close it up, attach here, jump in, charge the device. It's easy. So it's great product. So now we have to move back to here. So I see the instructions, so of course we have to attach the Joy-Con. So what I'm going to do, we need to slide this thing up. Oops, okay, so this is actually the Joy-Cons. This is actually what it looks like. So see here, this GSL battery. So it seems like it's there. I think you have to connect to the here to check whether it has battery. So yeah, so let's just unbox it. So today I'm going to do unboxing, but if you want to review, it will be a separate video. So yeah, So slowly, okay, there we go. So here's the device, and yeah. So let me see how they attach it. Like they attach it. Oh, it's recorded Joy-Con, so just in case if I can take it out, you big trouble. So yeah, that's all about it. Oh wait, I forgot to introduce the CD. So the CD is video game. I forgot to open the plastic and show you guys. So yeah, so of course it's my first time. So yeah, and then I might know what it's using is a CD or maybe it's a memory card external storage, because I thought that it is using external storage. So wait, oh, it's using memory card, so that's cool. So most time PSP has owned this one for, but now Nintendo Switch is great, so I just close it up. That's it. Hey, like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video for a review of the Nintendo Switch. Because I need to set up the Nintendo account. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. Peace.